Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's GL here, and today I want to open up about something very personal and close to my heart. Alam ko, hindi ito madalas na napag-uusapan, pero kailangan. For 15 years now, I've been battling depression. Naranasan ko na yung pinakamadilim na araw. Mga pagkakataong sinubukan ko ng tapusin ang lahat. 4 na beses na ako nagpakamatay. At isa sa mga yon, I left 28 scars on my left arm. At ito yon. Kaya ako rin pinili na wag i-cover up ang tattoo ko kasi ako mismo ang nag-design ito. It's a reminder, a symbol of my survival. Alam kong maraming tao ang nahihirapan ngayon at kaya ko rin naisipan na i-share ito para mas marami pa akong matulungan, lalo na yung mga kagaya ko. Kapag may kaibigan kang dumadaan sa depression, sobrang laki ng impact mo sa buhay nila. Minsan, all they need is someone to listen. Hindi kailangan magbigay ng solusyon. Huwag silang i-judge. Huwag mong sabihin, cheer up o maging positive. Instead, just be there for them. Kahit sa mga simpleng bagay like sending a message, going for a walk, or just remind them na mahalaga sila sa buhay mo. Now, kung ikaw mismo yung dumadaan sa depression, I know how dark it can get. Ako nga, 4 na beses ko nang sinubukan. But I'm still here. Buhay na buhay pa rin. Kasi alam mo, ang sarap mabuhay. Yes, life can be extremely painful, pero lagi kong iniisip, may reason pa rin ako dito. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. For me, finding something meaningful, like creating content, expressing myself through my tattoo, and talking to people who genuinely care, help me survive. You need to hold on to that small hope na kahit gaano kadilim, may liwanag pa rin sa dulo. At least for today, choose to fight one day at a time. Alam ko mahirap, pero lagi mong tandaan na hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami tayong may pinagdadaanan. At sa bawat ura ng nilalabanan mo ang depression mo, that's a victory in itself. Thank you for listening my story. And if you or someone you know needs help, don't hesitate to reach out. Laban lang kasi ang buhay, kahit mahirap, napakasarap. See you next time. Love lots.